Are you serious? Yo, T, these cats are clouding us, dog. What?
Without further ado, it is time for our concert, ladies and gentlemen. Positive sounds. Coming up to the stage now, we got Shaka Z, we got TNT.
Yeah!
Who's this?
Oh, God.
Yeah. Where my Christian soldiers at?
Yeah!
DJ on the track. Y'all know what this is. This is the warfare.
Chill, the thier. Let's go.
Listen,
Shaka Z, man, let's get drunk. Soldiers roll, chill, strap up, please, truth, man, rep your Lord, chill. Pilots marching, soldiers and sergeants, full soldiers garbage.
what is a warfare?
Crazy heads,
Only what is a warfare? Toil, plans, being foil, lie to the coil. What is a warfare? Rage to save your heart, is it dangerous? War will betray us. It's a warfare.
I wait the flag of Christ,
Cause I know what he's about.
I'm here to bring it to the death.
To be running it out. Don't let the wearer call us. Now got she's on the game. That falls upon the block. Will you hold it on his chest? But will this ever rest? With the young team,
Yeah, yes.
I wear my hat and show that I'm always on edge. Cause I ain't out to get mine. I'm out to get his. Boy, I don't miss gas. He said he'd rather go to hell. I'd rather change his mind.
Cause I ain't no goody.
I'm always on the pride.
Pressing forward, going right against the guard.
Carry
It's the way of the world.
Cause they don't understand. Shut, come on.
Bringing the truth.
Come on. Come on.
Try to recruit
If you want the truth, Randy,
and not take care. Cause we ain't drunk. This is a spiritual warfare.
Orders, marching, soldiers and sergeants, full soldiers, garbage.
Crazy commanders and training.
Only what is a warfare? Your plan, being loyal. Rock in the coil. What is a warfare? Rage to save your heart, is it dangerous? War will betray ya. What is a warfare? Deceivers, everyone, not just believers. Believers through a war, here we're trying to be like Jesus. So take out your weapons, we read about in Ephesians. Now we can block temptation, like in a garden of Eden. Even if it kills us to build us in situations of death, so that you know how we trust. That's how it feels us. Entity, the one was like two pistols. Pulling my whole church and death and right it will be. He's seeking missiles. Cut off from him, my sin is the reason for all of this. This world is a war, and I'm not talking politics. Your sin makes you a stubborn liar. Because you're blind to the emergency, and you can't see the fire. I wanna bring a reality shock, that's my desire. No one put no up in the best construction, is my attire. I'm my affected you, I don't know and I don't care. This is a great jam, a spiritual warfare. Cheers, no strap up with shoes, man, rap your love, yeah. Let's get it. Who's your daddy, boy?
He's the one who gave me through. Show me where I got it. He's the boss, he's the woman.
Who's your daddy, girl?
He's the one who treat me right. Taught me how to live my life. Daddy's gotta be the plan.
Who's your daddy, boy?
He's the one who gave me through. Show me where I got it. He's the boss, he's the woman.
Who's your daddy, girl?
He's the one who treat me right. Taught me how to live my life. Daddy's gotta be the plan.
I'm on this 6, read your clip. We 116, we 66, we 666, real vicious, resistance, we 2 pistols, on to new, we'll flip your roll, don't break my crew, cause we'll get bumped. Who's your dad? Almighty dad, you got enough to bring the crib down. We not with the young gangsta, we go spray the 66, it's flipped down, flip to pass down, we pop a foot down. Who's your dad? Get it straight, this is shots, recognize the name. I ain't here for game, cause I got one aim. That's why I'm born with this weapon ready and I am playing.
66 clips.
It's locked in, my left brain. I know what the words say, so I ain't scared to spray. I know that my daddy got my back, so homie, I was swing. I was trapped with the word, I something to the vision. I was to his soul, he had something to the vision. And that's to keep on fishing. Some soldiers wishing. My daddy boy, no way up if you a Christian. Revelation 96, it is clear to listen. That a daddy's victorious, there ain't no contradiction. Who's your daddy, boy?
He's the one who kept me jump. Show me where I gotta go. He's the boss, he's the woman.
Who's your daddy, girl?
He's the one who treat me right. Taught me how to live my life. Daddy's gotta be the plan.
Who's your daddy, boy?
He's the one who gave me flow. Show me where I gotta go. He's the boss, he's the woman.
Who's your daddy, boy?
Christian soldier. What's your daddy name? Who your daddy is? Love me young with my ammunition kid. He's the one who gon' rip me when I speak. And he's the one who pull me back, dog, when I slip.
So let's go for a roll till I get
He's president, bitch, already know who I represent. My daddy's the reason why I'm now comprehending. I ain't never seen, I ain't never swing. Yo, this rap ain't never stopping. So why you talking, kid? My dad's a breathe and it sees all of it. So just learn at your book before you leave. Be on our truth so you don't get hit. Yeah.
I'm a daddy's girl. My daddy's got my back. Put me out of this world, but we keep in contact. The devil's coming back. I'll never stop to back. Come on, let's get strapped. All my sisters, where you at?